Okay, so in this diagram, it's telling you that PQR, triangle PQR, is similar to triangle LMN. So that means we know that by the definition of similarity, all the corresponding angles are equal, okay, and the sides are proportional. Each of the sides are proportional. So the first thing they ask is to find the scale factor of between the two triangles. So again, we're going to pick our easiest side. So 15 corresponds to Z, that's not going to help us. Y corresponds to 13, but that's not going to help us. But here, 36 corresponds to 12. So we just put 36 over 12 equals 3 times 12 is 36 equals 3. Number 23, our scale factor is 3. Okay, easy peasy. So now we're going to find the values of x, y, and z. Okay. So now that we have our scale factor, okay, all we need to do is make a ratio using the variable that we want and set it equal to the scale factor. So let's take this y over 13. So we have y over 13 is equal to 3. So something y divided by 13 is going to equal 3. So a little bit of math, and we know that 39 divided by 3 equals 3. And so the y value is equal to 39. Erase that. Keep things kind of clean here. Okay, so let's try for z. Okay, I'll do a different color. So 15 corresponds to z. So we're putting 15 over z. Notice I'm putting the first figure on top and the second figure on the bottom. That's also going to be equal to 3. And we do some math, and we know that 15 divided by 5 is going to be equal to 3. So my z is equal to 5. Okay. Erase that. So let's look at x. Get a different color. So x is this little tiny corner right here. And notice that degree sign. So it's looking for an angle. It's not looking for a side. So it's, and this x corresponds to this angle right here, this angle P. Okay, so those two are corresponding. So in this figure, the one on the right, okay, it tells us that one angle is 90. Okay, that's fine. But it doesn't tell us what the other two are. So we can't figure out what x is. Okay. On this triangle, however, okay, the larger one, it tells us that indeed this angle is equal to 90, just like this one. Remember, to have similar, we have similar triangles, so their corresponding angles are congruent. And it tells us that this angle is equal to 22.6. So it turns out that this angle is also going to be equal to 22.6. Okay. So now we know 3 angles, or 2 angles, and we need to find the third. Well, you remember from right before the holidays that the sum of all 3 angles in any triangle is going to be equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So in this case, 180 degrees is going to be equal to the 90 degrees, that right angle that's right there, plus 22.6 degrees, plus x degrees. And we can do a little math. 180 minus 90 is 90. Take away negative 22.6. Okay, and I'm going to borrow 10, 89. Okay, 10 take away 6 is 4. 9 take away 2 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. So x is going to be equal to 67.4 degrees. Now they want you to find find the perimeter. So the perimeter. Okay, so I'm going to erase this stuff since we're done with it. Okay, I'm going to change to another color. Let's do purple. Okay, let's find our perimeters. So the perimeter of the large triangle, which is PQR, okay, equals the sum of all of its sides. So 15 plus 36 plus y. And we know that y is equal to 39. So you add all those together. 5 and 6 is 11, plus 9 is 20, carry the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. The perimeter of PQR is 90. Okay. So the small triangle, okay, that's LMN. Okay, and we don't need to worry about doing exact sides, doing the same sides, because it's perimeter, and we're just adding. So we'll take 13, it's 13 here, we'll add 12, and then we'll add Z, which is 5. And 13 plus 12 is 25, plus 5 equals 30. So the perimeter of triangle LMN is equal to 30. And that's it, you're done.